March 1st, 1945 is the birthday of the great man from St. Anne, Burning Spear, Winston Rodney, but worldwide known as Burning Spear. Happy belated birthday to Burning Spear. The spear keep burning. And we're going to play a little tribute to the great man from St. Anne, Key Largo, right? Yeah, that's, he always love to mention that beach, Key Largo Beach, which is out there by St. Anne. But yeah, I'm going to play this tune. It's one of my favorite go-to songs from Burning Spear. And because every time I listen to this song, I just get laid back and relax, and just feel cool. Because the song is just cool, even though it's burning. And it's burning, what? Is it burning fire? Or burning desire? Or? Burning reggae. After we're on a streggae. Good day.
Come people, come be a part of this whole. Come people, come be a part of this whole. Burning reggae. Burning reggae. Burning reggae. There is no fire, but it is.
There is no fire, but it is. Yes, it is. A burning
reggae. Burning reggae. Burning reggae. You can get your heart desire from. You can get your heart desire from this burning reggae. Burning reggae. Burning reggae. Go tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Go tell your neighbors about it. Go tell your neighbors about it. Go tell them about this burning reggae. Burning reggae. Burning reggae. Burning reggae. Burning reggae. One stop, Mr. Driver. One stop on the avenue. I have some friends who work in the Coliseum. I have some friends who work in the Coliseum. And I want them to know about this. Burning reggae. Burning reggae. Burning reggae. Burning reggae.
From the spear.
Who shall bless no one curse? Give thanks, I'm not the worst. Who shall bless no one curse? Give thanks, I'm not the worst. Come people, come be a part of this world. Come people, come be a part of this world. Come people, come be a part of this burning reggae. Come people, come be a part of this burning reggae. A burning reggae. A burning reggae. Reggae, reggae, burning reggae. Reggae, reggae, burning reggae. Burning reggae.
What a vibe, man. There is no fire, but it is. There is no fire, but it is. Yes, it is. A burning reggae. A burning reggae. You can get your heart desire from. You can get your heart desire from this. A burning reggae. A burning reggae. Yeah, man, I saw them man, they go on when they perform, Yeah, man. Music sweet him. Yeah, burning reggae, just a cool, easy vibe, Yeah, no bribe, no strive, just a cool, easy vibe from the Winston Rodney, the great man them call Burning Spear, the great man from Upper St. Anne, right? So we're gonna keep the ball rolling, And we got a little more Burning Spear tunes to come. I think I'm going to do about 2 or 3 more. So just keep it locked to Solid Rock and enjoy the vibe. Just sit back and cool back and easy, man. You know? Yes, that kind of vibe there. Yeah. There is no fire, but it is. There is no fire, but it is. Yes, it is. Burning reggae.